So I went and bought a snowblower. There it is, right in the box. Gonna have to put that together, probably eventually. I mean, people told me it's way too early to buy a snowblower, isn't it? I mean, there's no way. So I guess we gotta put the snowblower together. All right, let's see what kind of trouble we can get into. Where's the instruction book? Oh, look, here's a handle. Here's the other half of the handle. The instruction book. That's what we need. Put that over there. Doesn't look like it's gonna take much to put it together. Where's the chute? Oh, it looks like they stowed it right here. Okay, so let's just look at some of the stuff that is on before we start putting it together. I noticed this. Well, hi, Duke. How's it going? Oh, it's going good. Okay. So, look at you have a spare key and then a key with a cover on it. So I assume that key goes right here. Here is a gas on-off switch. Here's a throttle. Here's a gas cap. Okay. And here's a choke and the primer bulb. Some loose cables that we're probably gonna have to connect to the handle, and looks like they're just flopping over here. There's where the chute's gonna go. We have the handle. This looks like the deal that goes on the chute. So let's put it together. So here's the setup instructions. Let me show you real quick what the setup instructions look like. And that's all you need to know about the instructions, because I'm gonna read the instructions and you're gonna watch the video. That's why we're watching a video. Duke, I think people just don't get it. Hello? What are you doing? First step, grab the chute, put it right there. Grab these chute retainers. So this is the retainer. I put 2 of them on. Here's one of them that's already installed. Hold it onto the top. Now I'll put this third one on. That holds it on the bottom. Through here. Tighten these down. Holds it on. All right, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. That's pretty good. A little loose, not too tight. So now we have this bolt here and this bolt down below. We're gonna undo them on both sides. Over there, there's one here, one down there, and we're gonna put the lower arm on. Put the arm on. This right here. And then this one with the bracket on up top, like that. 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter. I can't get that in here, so we'll use this one. But on the bottom I can. Now I have to get it off this four-wheeler. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Now we're going to hook up the top part of the handle, like this, right here. This cable is going to go over on that handle. We're going to go underneath, and there's a loop right there. Put it in there, and we'll do the same to the other side. Okay. We have these to connect the top part to the bottom part. We'll just have the cable stay on where we connected them. And we're gonna put 3 of them in. This one, and the bottom one. So here's the shifter knob. See that? It's not hooked up to anything yet. So we're supposed to bring it all the way to the left, and we're going to attach it right there to this arm. We're going to do that with the speed control arm. I learned that from the instruction manual that you don't have to read. So here's the end that goes down. This is the part that stays on the top. Put it in from the inside, put the washer on. There you go. First we put the spring on here, shove it through here, put the washer on the other side, and the cotter pin. There you go. It's hooked up to that, which is hooked up to this gearbox. So here's the chute rotation rod. This right here is going to go into this hole right here. And then the other end of it is how to rotate the chute. This part right here, we go right here into this. So we'll leave this in loose for now. We'll follow the rod all the way up, and we're going to put it into this final hole. Shove this cotter pin through. That's good. It's a little squeaky. Help! Help! I have to go into the snow. Help me! So there it is, the Briggs and Stratton 1024, folks. Put that all together, and you didn't have to read the manual. Huh? And I think in the next video, we will test the snowblower. What do you think about that? That's a good idea. Thanks a lot.